You can earn this with this legit app. This is not a screenshot. Look, the screen is scrolling.
Welcome sa aming channel. This is R.
And this is M.
Welcome to RMDIY YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo na mapagkakakitaan habang ginagamit mo ang oras mo sa pagsi-cellphone at internet, andito ang aming channel para kayo ay turuan na siguradong kikita kayo ng pera.
And guys, every video, nagpapag-giveaway kami ng cash sa Gcash.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? I-subscribe mo na at hit notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na ina-upload namin.
Congratulations to all the winners. Please notify me on the comment to claim your prize. Okay guys, for our new mechanics. Number 1. All you need to do is to comment down below the hidden word, space, hashtag r.m.diy. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Number 2. Go to our Facebook page and find this thumbnail and share it publicly. The one with most number of share of their post wins. Now that you're in our Facebook, don't forget to like our page. First of all guys, let me withdraw my earnings. Okay guys, today I have $31 in my account. Okay, I gonna withdraw this. Okay, I am done withdrawing my balance. For those who don't know this app is Google, a top free app in Play Store. Search on Play Store or get the download link at the description. Then open the app.
Pindutin nyo lang yung confirm. Tapos nun, fill up lang natin to. Dito, hanapin nyo lang yung Philippines or kung saan country kayo galing. Tapos dito, i-type nyo lang yung 10-digit number nyo. Ngayon, open na natin. Tapos, click nyo lang yung send. Tapos, fill up nyo lang yung CAPTCHA. Tapos, press confirm. Tapos, after nun, antayin nyo lang yung verification code na text. Tapos, after nun, copy nyo lang yung verification code. Tapos, click lang yung login. Tapos, allow nyo lang. Dito, lagay nyo lang yung gusto nyong username. After nun, makakuha na kaagad kayo ng $1, 2,000 coins, and 1 experience. Okay, so una, punta muna tayo sa profile. Doon sa bandang left topmost ng screen. Dito sa profile, makikita yung naipon yung dollar and coins. Okay, simulan na natin kumita ng dollars and coins. Natin itong verify PayPal. Nyo lang dito yung email address ng PayPal account nyo. And click verify now. After nun, nakakuha kagad tayo ng $0.1. After nun, click naman natin yung verify email. Dito, i-type nyo lang yung email address na ginagamit nyo. Tapos, click Verify Now. After nun, punta lang kayo dun sa email. Tapos hanapin nyo lang yung email na email verify. And click nyo lang yung That's Me. After nun, makakuha ka ng $0.5, 10,000 coins, and 2 experience. And kung gusto mo ng 2,000 coins, click mo lang yung invitation code. And i-type lang ang capital V, Q, N, U, R, P, L, X, W. Or kumuha lang dyan sa comment section. Then, i-click nyo lang yung confirm at makakuha na kayo ng 2,000 coins.
Secret word. Technology.
Para malaman nyo kung ano ang invitation code nyo, click nyo lang yung view. Tapos, hanapin nyo lang yung invite friends. Tapos, click nyo yung to invite. Yan. Copy nyo lang yung invitation code nyo. Tapos, i-comment nyo lang dun sa comment section.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this. I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?